Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I already got the water boiling, because we've got one that came in a Zen Pop box. It's a bowl. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RAMENRATER for a discount. And this is, oh God, what is it? It's this. Okay. So I dug this out of the hamper this morning and I was like, what box was it in? What was the month? I have no freaking clue. So I had to go get my binder. I have a binder. I have a binder full. Can you see that? Yeah, I've got a binder full of the sheets that come with Zen Pops. The sheets that come with Umai crates. It just goes and goes and goes, because I don't, like, as soon as I get a crate or a pop or whatever, I don't immediately like review everything that was in it right away. So what was nice about this though, here it is. It was like, man, I'm gonna have to dig through all this to find it. It was right here. First page. That made me happy. Thank you, universe. From February 2019 Zenpop.jp's Shoyu sampler pack. This is Sapporo Ichiban's Mentai Agodashi Shoyu Ramen. Okay? Says, last month we included a Mentaiko Tonkatsu ramen, and this month we can try Shoyu ramen with the added flavor of Mentaiko spicy cod roe. Agodashi is a soup base made with flying fish. In the Kyushu region of Japan, Mentaiko and Agodashi are some of their most famous specialties. This bowl of ramen might sound a bit strange if you're not used to Japanese food, but it is a great way to try some unique flavors that Japan is very proud of. So, yeah, that was cool. I was really happy to find that it was on the first page. Something from Yama-chan. This, if you know the chocolate break, this is the menu from Beta 5. And it has all their different fancy flavors and stuff. When I did the review of their stuff this year, I was sick and I couldn't taste anything. So I couldn't taste any other stuff. This is, top 10 list flyer from Red Chef. See? Ramen Raider. Good noodles, number 2 and number 6 on the list. Some cup noodles. But yeah. I save so much noodle stuff, it's not even funny. But yeah, this is a Mentaiko Agodashi Shoyu. That's a lot of different things in one. The noodle block going there. We got 3 more sachets, of which we're going to put in. So we got the noodle block. See what we got here, because the picture on it looks kind of not like you would put this on yet. So I'm going to put in I know the powder goes on. And they're not letting you know in the info when the stuff order goes in and all that. So, you know what I need to figure out is how to use a different mic for this thing. Like, is it possible to use a Bluetooth mic with this? That'd be nice, because I don't always want to be like right up in the grill of this camera. Here we go. Okay, there's that. Usually oils go in at the end. Let's see what we got in here. yeah, that can go in now. Stir it around a little bit. Now what did it say? 3 minutes? So 3 minutes. We'll slap a lid on it. So yeah, there's this group called the Black Hebrew Israelites that went and killed a bunch of people in Jersey City. I'm guessing that's in New Jersey. I could totally be wrong. But that's not nice. Let's see what else is in the news. There's got to be more news. Is there any interesting news going on right now? Oh. Blue Origin's new Shepherd makes record 6th launch to fly. Wait. Hey. Where'd my news go? Uh-oh. Poll. Support for Trump impeachment unchanged after public hearings. Let's see. Yeah. Look, there's our president flipping everybody off. It's like doing the Peter Grant thing from Song Remains the Same, the Led Zeppelin movie. You do know what I'm talking about, right? Is this all information? Yeah. Journalists behind bars. Blue Origin's new Shepherd makes record 6th launch to fly NASA science. Turn student art to space. Ooh, see, that's what I want. I've been waiting to get a new phone. Galaxy Note 11 or S11 or whatever it is. I don't... Samsung suddenly exposes radical S11 upgrades. It's like this Forbes. God, Forbes is absolutely horrible. Teeth Torbs. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Because it's like... They always have these stories like, this phone is so great. And then there's the next story. This phone is really great, but you know what? It has an Achilles heel. It's like, I can't handle all the clickbait. There's so much of it. That's right. Miles doesn't like clickbait either. I'll admit, I've sensationalized headlines to try to get people to read it, but they still don't. I'm just not good at BSing Noodle news. But you heard it here first. Tell your friends. Yeah. But the news about noodles right now is this. Should be done. There. Let's put in this oil. I'm guessing it's oil. It's gotta be. Yeah, it's very oily. Okay. Oil is important. Now you know. Looks lovely. Looks absolutely lovely. Itadakimasu? Isn't that it? I always feel like that I'm missing an S in the beginning. It's like itadakimasu? No, it's itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Tastes great, but those noodles just seem a little spongy. But I won't hold it against him. I really won't. I was blabbing a lot, so the water wasn't as perfectly hot. So And it's a nice gauge on the noodle too, I will say that. Pinching my eggs. Oh, come on. You just pinch the edges and it kind of releases the sides on this thing. And once that happens, usually they just come out really easy. There you go. Like that. And then there's your egg for fun. And then, since it's shrimpy, right? There's a couple. Some springy. There's some mung bean sprout. Spring onion. I don't know, it's tempting to put more of that Laogan Ma chili crisp on there. I think I'll forego that. A little bit of seed though. Right here. Really? Don't forego the chili crisp, said my brain. You can put a little bit in a corner, and then when nobody's looking, you can eat the shrimp that you douse in it. Okay, brain. Sure is strange, but I'll do it. I'm almost out, but I have another jar. And I have 3 friends who I'm going to send that stuff to for Christmas. Because if you haven't had it, I haven't had it. It hasn't been like a long time since I first tried it. And I'm like totally preaching it to everybody. Yeah, this one's good. The broth's nice, the noodle's alright, gauge-wise at least at this point. I'll give it another go as far as the texture of the noodle in a bit, but yeah, I think we're groovy. Oh, I hope I get the thing I really want for me for Christmas that's like really cheap on Amazon. That'll make life doing this so much easier. Anyways. Cheers. How about that one? All right. Well, hey, who's this? Is this no, turn around. Look. What's this? Hey. Say hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing
Well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.